So we are going to make a half bow. We're going to do 7 inches, and then we're going to measure out an 8-inch loop, pinch and twist, and then we're going to measure out another 8-inch loop. So the half bow is normally just what I said, a half bow, but I'm going to go ahead and just make a double loop of this yellow gingham ribbon. I really like this ribbon. So we're making a 7-inch tail. Pinch. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start going up in size of our loops. We're going to go on a 9-inch loop. Okay, pinch and twist. And then we'll make a 12-inch tail. I'm going to make a 12-inch tail. So another 9-inch loop, pinch and twist, and about 7-inch tail, 12-inch tail. And then we're gonna start going up in size. So we're gonna go to 10 inches. Pinch and twist. So when I say 10 inches, that's how long I'm measuring my ribbon. That's the length of the ribbon. So it's really not a full 10-inch bow. It's really like a 5-inch loop. Because if your loop was 10 inches, it'd be way out here. So you want to make sure that when I say the 10 inches, that's the length of ribbon that I need to make that loop. Okay. Making a tail. Another 10 inches. Pinch and twist. But that's what our bow should look like. Yo, look how cute that curl just looks right there in that. Getting my zip tie. Y'all know I'm a zip tie person. I love my zip ties. And then I'm just running that pipe cleaner through that zip tie before I cinch it all the way shut. And I'm gonna come off to the right hand side again. The left hand side, that's really kind of my go-to side sometimes on oval grapevines. I do like the left hand side, but I also really, I like the right hand side more, but let me say that again. I like the right hand side for bows more when it comes to Deco mesh wreath. And then I like the left hand side of an oval grapevine or round grapevine when it comes to a grapevine wreath. Okay, so using our hot glue, and I'm gonna come back behind that bow. On that one, and then I'm going to come back behind our bow with this one. Okay. So we're going to see how well this really build this design up just with those 2 stems. Y'all, look how full that wreath already looks. So all of the supplies did come from Deco Exchange. I'm now using PF1732. Y'all, this greenery is one I always try to have in my stockpile. And I believe it is somewhat of a boxwood, but this one is a really great greenery to always have in stock. Okay. So I'm coming in between those stems, and I'm kind of working in a triangle motion. We're gonna go 1, 2, and then 3. Normally that's kind of the rule of thumb. You work in 3s, and that's what I like to do. I like to work in 3s. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just trim these all down. And I might not need both stems, but we're gonna keep that one those on the table just in case. So I'm gonna work with some of my longer stems first. And since this one is long, I want to use that to my advantage. I want that stem to come out towards the bottom of the wreath, just to draw in some length with that one floral stem. Okay, so once again, I have 3 stems here. This one is my longest one, so I'm going to use that to my advantage and add a little bit of height up at the top of that design. So y'all, this is what we have so far. Just those little touches of pink, because our pink is really in our ribbons. So I am bringing in some more yellow. Okay. So working once again in our triangle motion. And this is like a yellow tipped fern. I absolutely love this. And it's such a nice filler greenery. Curl up those loops a little bit. Okay. So yeah, this is what we have so far. I'm definitely gonna bring in some more of those pink flowers just because I'm seeing it on the camera over here and you can really hardly see those. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut up another stem of these. Y'all, this stem was only $1.99. That's a good deal for a flower stem. Okay, so just mixing in some of these pink flowers towards the front of that greenery. That way it you can see a lot of this pink. So y'all, that's our wreath. Look how pretty that looks. Y'all, you know what I would do? If I had a sign that had a flamingo on it, I would totally add a flamingo sign to it for summer.